Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to track your loan performance in CoinRabbit. CoinRabbit is a modern crypto lending and borrowing platform designed to provide fast, flexible, and secure access to digital assets. It allows users to borrow stable coins like USDT or USDC using their crypto holdings as collateral, earn interest on deposited coins, and easily manage loans. So in order to track your loan, open your web browser the top, type down coinrabbit.io and enter it. Over here, what you can do is go to this My Wallet in the top right corner. And over here, you can go to this loans in the left hand side and navigate your loan section. Here, all the active and past loans are listed with the collateral, borrowed amount, interest rates, and LTV as well. Over here, you can analyze, compare interest accurate versus borrowed amount to access the cost effectiveness, adjust the repayment as well, and CoinRabbit's comprehensive loan dashboard, real-time metrics, and alert system make it easy for the users to track and manage over here. You can go to this dashboard as well, and it focuses on the speed, transparency, and security, ensures a seamless experience from loan origination to the repayment. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.